Jai Srimanarayana. 141st Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Chaturdamshtraya Namaha. Ho Srimanarayana, the very important characteristic of great men is possessing 4 fangs. You possess that 4 fangs as a special characteristic to disclose your greatness, supremacy. Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Chaturdamshtraya Namaha. Om Chaturdamshtraya Namaha. With meditation upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, having all great characteristics, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami is telling Lakshmana, "Ho Lakshmana, do not accuse Kaikeyi, Kaikamma. Our mother Kaikamma is very gentle, very good and very compassionate lady. Ho Lakshmana, overnight everything changed. All this is happening because of Daiva Sankalpam, Paramatma's Sankalpam. Asankalpitameveha yadakasmat pravartate nivartyarambham arabdham nanudaivasya karmatat. Whenever that whatever we propose, if it gets disposed, you have to understand Paramatma is playing a major role. It is all Paramatma Sankalpam. Ho Lakshmana, whenever whatever that we plan is not being done, and whenever there are few things happening which we could not even imagine, all that happens because of Paramatma's Sankalpam. Ho Lakshmana, great rishis like Vishwamitra, all those Brahmarshis, great rishis also happen to fell off from their great tapasya because of Paramatma's Sankalpam. Ho Lakshmana, do not worry just because that I am not getting the power of this kingdom. Don't even think about my discomfort. I don't feel any discomfort in going to forest. Ho Lakshmana, I am the one who can be adjusted to any kind of circumstances. You all will see, before I leave from here, I am going to be getting my own water. I won't use any of my maids or any of servants. I will get my water from the well and I do snanam and I take diksha for my vanavasam. While everyone is witnessing, I am going to be leaving this country, this kingdom, and going to go to Aranyavasam. Rajyam va vanavaso va vanavaso mahodayah. This kingdom and vanavasam both are same to me. Nothing is inferior, nothing is superior. In fact, I feel very good and comfort in staying vanavasam because there won't be all these politics of the kingdom. Oh Lakshmana, that is why just don't think and don't worry about me. When Rama saying all this, Lakshmana started getting so much of distressed, and one side when he thinks about Sri Ramachandra Swami's resolution in following righteous steps, Lakshmana feeling happy. But on other hand, whatever the injustice is happening to Rama, Lakshmana is unable to digest that is why he is suppressing his anger, suppressing his grief, and he is completely shaking and breaking. Tadatu badhva bhrukutim bhruvor madhye nararshabha nisasvasa mahasarpo balastha ivaroshitaha. Lakshmana, how he is looking, he is bringing his both eyelids together with so much of anger. He is breathing heavily just like a big serpent. And also he is so much angry just like a huge lion. Then as and how a big elephant shakes his big trunk, like that Lakshmana is shaking his elbow and moving his both eyes here and there and around, revolving his eyes, and from a sharp corner from his eyes he is looking at Rama. Agra Akshna Vikshamaanastu. While looking at Rama, he is saying that, oh Rama, you are completely changing the entire subject into your dharmam. But here it is not happening. That is not the case. Both Dasharatha Maharaju and Kaikeyi, both of them making this happen with a huge plan behind it. They have a pre-planned agenda. You are not understanding that. Oh Rama, this is not the time to talk about Paramatma. You are a great soldier. You are a strong man. And you should not be talking about Paramatma at this moment. You have to understand how much of injustice in a very, very rude way your father Dasharatha Maharaj and Kaikamma is doing all this. That is what is bothering me. Oh Rama, why you are not understanding? That is what is bothering me. That is what is making me so angry. Please forgive me. Please forgive all my words. Like that, Lakshmana is again talking back to Sri Ramachandra Swami. What is going to happen next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 15th sloka. Lokadhyakshaha Suradhyaksho धर्माध्यक्षः कृताकृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहः चतुर्दंष्ट्रः चतुर्भुजः। ओम सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। ओम चतुर्दंष्ट्राय नमः। ओम चतुर्दंष्ट्राय नमः। ओम चतुर्दंष्ट्राय नमः।